Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the massive announcements from Google I/O 2026, where tech history was made with the unveiling of Gemini Omni. For years, creative AI models operated on what engineers call a split-stack architecture. Under that old limitation, an AI had to pass text data to a completely separate image generator, which then passed files to an isolated video model, degrading context and quality at every single step. Gemini Omni completely rewrites that playbook by introducing a unified, native, any-to-any world model trained entirely on a massive, combined dataset of text, audio, images, and video in parallel. This allows the model to process multiple differing creative inputs simultaneously and output cinematic, high-quality video in a single forward pass. While Google plans to release a massive Gemini Omni Pro variant down the road, they are kicking things off right now by rolling out Gemini Omni Flash globally across the Gemini app, YouTube, and Google Flow, giving creators immediate access to lightning-fast, high-resolution generative media. The biggest game changer for creators is conversational video editing, which completely redefines how we interact with digital assets. Instead of spending hours tinkering with traditional timeline-based software, cutting clips, and manually tracking complex masks, Gemini Omni lets you direct your video content through a simple, natural language dialogue. This is powered by a massive, persistent context window that tracks your creative intent across multiple turns of a conversation, meaning you can iterate on a scene progressively without the model forgetting your earlier design choices. You can upload an existing video clip or a collection of photos and casually tell the AI to swap out a specific object, replace an entire background with hyper-realistic environments, or shift the camera angle entirely, even prompting it to change a wide shot to an over-the-shoulder perspective. It also introduces revolutionary multi-image asset blending, which allows you to upload multiple distinct reference images to direct the specific characters, clothing styles, and environments of your scene. By combining these images with text instructions, Gemini Omni merges separate visual elements into one unified, perfectly blended output with zero clipping or layout errors. What makes these outputs look so incredibly convincing is that Gemini Omni isn't just matching visual patterns or guessing pixels. It acts as a true world model that simulates the underlying physics of reality. Built directly into its core transformer architecture is an intuitive, data-driven understanding of physical forces like gravity, fluid dynamics, and kinetic energy. This ensures that when objects interact on screen, the weight, hair movement, fabric drapery, and liquid splashes behave exactly as they would in the real world, heavily diminishing the uncanny valley effect that plagues older video generators. To streamline creative workflows further, Google has integrated Gemini Omni into their stunning new design language called Neural Expressive. This reimagined user interface replaces static screens with fluid animations, haptic feedback, and a newly re-engineered microphone interface that integrates Gemini Live directly into your workspace. You can now tap the mic and talk through complex visual ideas at your own pace without getting cut off, or seamlessly switch between typing text prompts and having a free-flowing spoken conversation with the AI about your video's pacing and art style. To make things even more personalized, Google is tying this multimodal ecosystem into their new likeness initiative, allowing users over the age of 18 to securely scan themselves to create a highly accurate personal digital avatar. This enables you to drop a consistent digital version of yourself into videos and presentations, matching your exact physical appearance, while generating custom speech using your own voice. Recognizing the intense safety and copyright risks that come with this level of creative power, Google DeepMind has built automated post-training mitigations directly into the model's pipeline. Every single video generated or edited by Gemini Omni automatically embeds an invisible pixel-level digital watermark called SynthID that survives heavy compression, cropping, and re-encoding. This is paired with C2PA content credentials to provide an unbreakable, cryptographically signed manifest attached directly to the file metadata. By embedding these safety standards, Google is ensuring that while creators gain unprecedented freedom to build web pages, short-form content, and high-end narratives from simple prompts, the integrity of the broader digital ecosystem remains thoroughly protected.